You know Sandy, what's her name? Robillard, who does all the beautiful gardens on the corners of Depot and the ones at that end of... Does she do gardens at the other end too? But she does the gardens that are there by Route 66 on Main Street, but underneath the bridge on Route 66.
And what about the one down by the courthouse?
And the courthouse corners, you know, those beautiful gardens that we have here. She's the person who does all those, and so she gave us advice about what plants to plant.
Oh, okay.
She's not a master gardener, but she's serving as a consultant.
Yes, she's
Okay.
she's a consultant.
She's definitely a master gardener.
Well, this is true.
Yeah.
She's a master
Not-
gardener in practice, not in.
She's not bona fide, but she's pretty good.
yeah.
But she's better than the rest. I'll speak for
What
myself
you
anyway.
learn as a master gardener is that you don't know a lot of stuff, and there's always more to learn.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah,
That's
that's,
what we-
the truth.
That's what we know.
We're the master gardeners,
Hawkins
and
County.
you want to know all of our
What's your
names.
official name?
The
Hawkins County Master Gardener Association.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You guys should have had this rehearsed already now.
That's in my email.
Okay. Well, I'm doing a video though. We can't email the video.
Oh, I see. All right. We're the Hawkins County Master Gardener
Okay.
Association.
Okay.
And this is the office of the Heritage Association for Rogersville, Hawkins County, and we are doing a flower bed for them.
Okay.
So
Perennial.
a perennial bed,
Okay.
right?
So what was here before? I wish I should
Some,
have.
well, there were
got a picture.
weeds. Well, at one time there were flowers in here, and then it just got neglected. Weeds grew up, and then somebody came in and sprayed it with Roundup. So there was really nothing here except a lot
gotta
of
get a picture of
plant
this.
carcasses.
Go ahead and keep talking.
So
They're actually. This is a good action shot here, so I better get.
she'll hate you.
What happened?
Well, this morning we dug out the old timbers. We amended the soil.
And by amended the soil to the layperson, what does that mean?
We put in a cube of soil mix, 4 bags of soil conditioner, 3/4 of a bag of vermiculite, and Denise rototilled it up beforehand and then rototilled it after we applied everything.
Okay.
And now we're putting in these timbers just to keep the soil from falling out on the
Okay.
Yeah, we're replacing those things that were there before. That's what she meant when she said we took those out.
Okay.
Oh, and they were full of ants. And we had ants in our pens this
Oh no.
We sure did.
Okay. So, what is the goal? What do you hope to accomplish by the end of today's
Well,
work?
by the end of today, we're just going to put some preen on here, and then we're going to leave it for about a month and come back and plant in the fall. And
Okay.
everyone is donating plants, and the Master Gardeners have budgeted some money for this project.
But all of the plants that will be going in here are donated from Master Gardeners.
Are
Okay.
donated from us.
And they'll be planted in early fall.
Is the backside here going to have timber also?
Yes.
Okay. So this will still be a walkway, kind of.
Yeah.
And want to give credit to Sandy. She met with me. She looked at the list of plants we had. She pretty much landscaped, made suggestions on how we should plant this fall with our donated plants. And also she gave me the recipe for amending the soil.
Okay.
So
So
we're gonna-
what kind of
We're going to put in
flowers?
some canna, some Tropicana gold,
Tropicana, gold canna, some
and some,
black and blue salvia,
yes.
Okay.
and possibly some cleome, which is an annual. But
Cleome?
yes, but
But
it
it
is an annual. We
reseeds.
just put some seeds in there. But
Okay.
let's see what else was in back.
Any bulbs?
No bulbs.
Not right now. No,
Okay.
we can.
That's what I want to put in, but I've been out.
You were outvoted?
Well, this I anticipate this
The
will
time to
evolve.
put in bulbs.
It will evolve over time. That's true. That's
They
true.
have some at Walmart.
We have a dissension on the Master Gardeners of Hawkins County.
Well, we're flexible, and this is
Oh,
evolving.
we're going to
I
put
mean,
in some really pretty daylilies from Denise's garden. What are those called? Comanche lilies?
Oh,
Ignatia. It's called. It's a
Oh yeah,
cone
that's my
type of-
mom loves echinacea.
But this is a special
Cone
variety
flower.
called Cheyenne Spirit, and
That's
instead of
right.
the usual purple color, they come in reds and oranges and yellows and whites, and it's a really pretty. a special variety I grew up from seed this spring, and
okay.
we'll be putting those in, and then
And then we are going to put in some daylilies from your yard.
some orange, double orange.
Are you gonna do
daylilies.
something with that little box right there too?
Somebody else is doing that.
The Heritage Association
Okay.
said somebody will be doing that.
Alrighty. Well, so how did you guys get involved in this? How did this all
It
come
was
about?
Denise.
That would be me. I saw this bed that needed some attention, and I thought, wouldn't that be a fabulous opportunity for the Master Gardeners? And I inquired, and at first I was told that there had to be several levels of approval, and I just hadn't had time to go through it. But the Heritage Association, out of the goodness of their hearts, went through the levels of approval for me and came back and said, we'd love to have you do this.
So who all had to say yes on this?
Well, the Heritage Association did, but I understand that this building is owned by, I'm not sure if it's the city or the county, but there was a property manager that had to be,
County?
I guess
Yeah, I
that's
think
what
it's
it is,
both, actually.
that had to give her stamp of approval, and that was the more difficult sell, from what I understand. And
Oh, really?
Apparently it had been planted before and then neglected.
And then neglected,
Oh.
and they didn't want that to happen again.
Okay.
Understandable.
But anything's better than what they had, isn't it?
So, well, that was my position. But I'm so thrilled because the Heritage Association is really solid behind us. They're going to buy us a hose, and we've got a spigot right there, and we have ample help from the Master Gardeners. And it's a high visibility place, and they've given us permission to put a little sign that says something like, maintained by Master Gardeners of Hawkins County. So
Cool.
it's a great opportunity for us, I think.